Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this cute little bear coaster in just few minutes. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make this by following this tutorial video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. This is so easy and beginner friendly tutorial. So there are also other many tutorial videos available on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out, and if you want any other tutorial video or pattern about this, let me know in the comment down below. So this is so cute and easy tutorial. You can make this in just half hour. This is so easy. So watch this video till the end to learn how to make this bear coaster. So without delay, let's begin our video. To make this bear coaster, we need a yarn. Make a magic ring. We can start with a magic ring. I'm using 3mm hook. You can use is for your yarn size. So just chain 2. In the magic ring, we are going to make 12 double crochet. For making a double crochet, we are going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make 12 double crochet in the magic ring. This is count as row 1. So make 12 double crochet and I will show you what to do next. After making 12 double crochet, we are going to pull the yarn of the magic ring to close the hole and slip stitch in the first stitch of the double crochet. Make a slip stitch. Our row 1 is completed. For row 2, chain 2, and then in row 2 we are going to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. It's called double crochet increase. There is going to be total of 24 double crochet in this row, row 2. Make 2 double crochet in the one stitch all the way around the circle. Make 2 double crochet in one stitch. Complete this row by following this pattern and I will show you what to do next. After completing this row, row 2, we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch. Make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch. Our row 2 is completed. For row 3, we are going to chain 2, 1 and then 2. After making chain 2 for row 3, we are going to make a double crochet in the same stitch. Then in the next stitch we are going to double crochet increase. Make 2 double crochet together. Then in the next stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet. Then in the next stitch we are going to make double crochet increase. Make 2 double crochet in the same stitch together. we are going to repeat this pattern all the way around. In this row 3, we are going to make 1 double crochet in the stitch, and then double crochet increase in the next stitch, and again 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then double crochet increase in the next stitch. Make all the way around. We have 36 double crochet in this row 3. Complete this row and I will show you what to do next. After completing row 3, we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch of this row 3. Row 4, chain 2, we are going to chain 2, and in the row 4 we are going to make 2 double crochet in the first stitch. Make 2 double crochet together, then in the next 2 stitches make 1 double crochet. In the next 2 stitches we are not going to increase it. In next 2 stitches, after that again double crochet in the increase. In the next stitch make 2 double crochet together, then again 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, make 2 double crochet, then double crochet increase in the next stitch. We are going to repeat this pattern all the way around. Double crochet increase in the first stitch, then 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then again double crochet increase, and then again 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches all the way around in this row 4. So complete this pattern and I will show you what to do next. After completing this row 4, we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch. Then for making the ear, we are going to make a single crochet in the same stitch, then make a half double crochet in the next stitch, make 3 triple crochet together. In the next stitch we are going to make 3 triple crochet in the same stitch. This is going to be 2, and then again 1 more, 3. After that we are going to make a double crochet in the next stitch, make a double crochet in the next stitch, then we are going to make a single crochet in the next stitch. After that we are going to make a slip stitch in the next 8 stitches. Make 8 slip stitches in the next 8 stitches. Make 8 slip stitches. After that, we are going to make a single crochet in the next stitch. Make a single crochet, then double crochet in the next stitch, then 3 triple crochet together in the next stitch. Make 3 triple crochet in the same stitch, just like we did before to make one air. Just repeat same 3 triple crochet in the same stitch. Again one more. After that, in the next stitch, we are going to make a double crochet. Make a double crochet in the next stitch, then make a single crochet in the next stitch, then make a slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1. Now we are going to cut the yarn, pull the yarn through and tighten it. See, our bear coaster is ready. As you can see that it's so easy. For completing its looks, we are going to hide the yarn tails with the help of yarn needles. Just hide it to make it extra secure. Hide it with the help of yarn needles. Just repeat the pattern what I am doing. It's so easy and beginner friendly tutorial. You can easily make it at home. So I'm hiding it, as you can see. As you can see everyone, our cute little bear coaster is ready. It's so easy and beginner friendly. You can style it in your dining area or anything. This is so easy and beginner friendly tutorial. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. And there are also other many tutorials available on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. If you want any other tutorial videos, let me know in the comments below. If you want a pattern, so let me know in the comment. I will write the pattern and I will upload the video of tutorial, many more tutorial videos. So thank you so much for watching this video everyone. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for supporting me. Keep supporting and love me. Bye bye everyone.